Hey, welcome back everybody. Well, let's see what we're working on today. This is a Honda 4Trax 300, and what we're going to have to do here on this one is we're replacing, you see that? The front axle. Oops. Get this down here. So what we're doing is replacing this front axle on this. This is shot. And if you're doing these, it's cheaper to buy the whole axle like that than to buy the CV and all the stuff here. It's cheaper to do, and it's easier to take out. So that's why generally you just get the whole axle. Okay, now to get that off, of course we got to pull this off. I got these loosened up. This bolt here, pull this off. Now, this one here is proven to be a little bit of a pain, trying to hold this at the same time of pulling this. So, I'm going to try to do without it. We'll see if it don't work. If I can't pull this out far enough to run this through, then we'll go back to basics. You know, we'll get it out of there. Here, let's see here. There you go. There's the front hub there. And the brakes don't look too bad. But we just got to push that out. But we got to get these out of here. And then we'll pry that out of here right there. So we're going to get into that. I got to get the wrench here and start to take. That's pretty loose. I squared it with a WD-40 and that helps. Okay, I'm going to put you in a stand here and then we'll bring it back on. Alright, well here we go. Let's get this off of here. Of course, this one you got to use a wrench on to take off. Which is obvious, you can't get nothing else in there. Got some more here, so that helps get it out a little easier. Jamming up on me. Okay. That one out. I took the little keys out, you know, that hold these on already too. Sometimes they can be a little pain. This here generally is using impact, but it's already loose enough, it ain't too big a deal. Okay, now what you got to do is to get this off of here, and I'll have to go get it, is you hit it right here. I don't know if you can see it. Hit it right here real hard, but I gotta go get it. Alright, got it here. Turn that thing that way, and what you want to do is, it'll pop it up and hit there. And it's already dropped down. Yep, see it? Dropped it right down. No problem. Now you gotta do the same thing up here. So we can get to it. There it is. Drop right down. Let's see, we're going to make it. Now what a big deal is this right here. It's not letting me go by. That's not letting me. So I got to get looks like a 10 there. Come on, I think nope. Will not do it. So I got to pull this off here to give me enough room, if you can see that, to do that. Okay, here we go. There, I got that pulled off. Let's put the screw back in there. Oh. Yeah, I won't. Let's see if we can get this thing out now. There it is. Got her out. Now, you should be able to just pull this out. Just pull it out and get it out. Let's see what's going on there. There it is. See? Yanked it right out. Got the new one. Let's there's a new one. Okay, bearing's in good shape. Let's throw this one in here. What I do is I put this nut on here backwards, which I don't know how to worry about doing that, but put it on there a little ways. Get enough grip on there, enough threads on it, and then just keep it out here straight. Make sure it's in there good. There you go. See? You could probably use them, but the other nut, but I like it so I don't damage the new one. All right, now we gotta let's get this thing back in there. There it is. There we are. Alrighty. It goes in there good. We'll put that in there. And we're going to put this in here. Okay. I think these are the same. Yeah. The nuts are the same. Put it up in here. I think we're going to clean those threads off a little bit there. You want good clean thread, especially up here when you're trying to put this one on. It just fell down on me. But you want good clean threads so when you get in there. Being a pain. Let's get this one. That one's being a pain. Okay, get the bottom one on. Move this up. If I can get this one on here. Dropped. Drop and run, drop and run. Okay. Shove that thing up in there. I almost need something to hold it up and just try and do it without getting something. There it is. Get it up there, tighten it up as good as we can. Alright, now I gotta go turn my air on here in a second. Alright, here we go. Let's get this thing zipped up in there. Yep. Did great, didn't it? That worked good. What's nice about it, you can get to it. On this one here, as I said, you can't get an impact in there. So this one's going to have to be, move this thing around. Can you still see moving you? You do it with your wrench. That your holes are in line so you can put your cotter key in there. So it gets tight. Okay, now we're getting to where we can be adjusting it here. Sorry if I'm getting in your way there. There it is. There's that one. I think that one's in good shape. Okay. It's in good shape. See there? Okay, now we're going to put this back on. So that's in decent shape too. There we go. Now we got our center nut here that goes on. And it came with a key. This one came with the key. Now, I have other ones here. Don't know if that's it or not. Nope, I think this is it. Yeah, here it is. So, put this one on. There we go. Good deal. Put this through. Grab both ends. Bend them around. There we are. Look at that. Now I gotta go get my keys and we'll put those on. All right, now let's get these in here. Those in there. Bend them around. Find the other one. Turn it this way. Oops. Oh, there it is. Yep, can't get to that. Those bent around. Alrighty. I always like to do before I put these on, put a little bit of WD-40 on these. Put the tire back on. And what we're going to do next is go take it for a run. See if it makes the same noise it did before. Because it, you know, I forgot. People are yelling at me. Hey, you forgot, you forgot. I heard you. I forgot. You know what I forgot to do? Put this back on there. Goofy. Slap myself there. There it is. Let's put that back in there. Perfect. Thanks for telling me. I know you guys seen that. I know you seen that and you're hollering at me. I heard you. You forgot to put that back on. Okay, we'll get this tire back on here. And that should be this one right here. Get their impact. Those impacts make stuff so much quicker, don't they? Forward. So much quicker. Now there's one other thing I got to do to this. This thing was wanting not to like start. It had no spark. I couldn't figure out what it was. I don't know if you can see it up in there. It's this connection for this thing was not wanting to work right for the, oh, you probably can't see that up in there, for the brain on that. So I'm going to have to get up in there and pop that off and just put some WD-40 in it. Well, I'll pull you back on. We'll take it for a spin. All right, here we go. We're back. Whoop, reverse. Problem was turning. Quiet. Oh yeah, I wish I had a video of it before. It was clicking and clacking and making all kinds of noise. Beautiful. All right, everybody. Well, hey, I hope this helps somebody. Got a bad, as you can see, that axle didn't look bad, but it was bad inside. It was clacking. Probably ran out of grease. Probably got the grease washed out of it, and it's just going bad. So there it is. And as I said, if you get this and you need to put a CV on it, there you go. Everyone take care. Push the bell, get notifications, subscribe. Hey, and have a good day. Take care, everybody.